First step to victory is three small letters. Try. Okay. Try, try. That is what you should do, because unless you don't try, you won't get success. If you try, you might get success, but if you do not try, surely you will never get success, right? So whenever you think about your goal, don't say that something is very difficult or very hard. Try and try until you succeed. Have you heard that too? Okay.
No.
Now, in grammar chapters, Muskan, I suppose we have completed three chapters or two chapters. Subject and
Yes.
predicate.
Yes.
That is the second chapter we have completed in grammar, right? Third, have we started third chapter?
We have not started.
We have not yet started. Okay, so Muskan, do you have textbook?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes. Sir.
Please see into the textbook and tell me what is the chapter 3.
Okay, sir.
Girls, sit with the rough book, please.
Chapter number 3. Passes and clauses.
Phrases and clauses. And what is chapter number 4?
And chapter 4 is kinds of nouns.
Okay. But I think we should start writing skills, because in your FA2 exam, I have kept writing skills in the portion. You should be able to see full board. Are you able to see full board?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You can pin my chat, and sometimes if it gets blur, please wait for a few seconds. Don't start shouting. Okay. So today we will start with the writing skills, formal letter writing. Muskan, we have not done formal letter writing, right?
Yes.
Okay. Then we should start with the grammar. Girls, please sit with your rough notebook. Those who don't have, take it out. Those who have, start writing all the details. Today's date, subject, topic, everything. Come on, give the heading and be ready. Once you are ready, just say yes sir and mute the mic after writing the header part.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Come on girls, all the other girls, those who are not ready, be ready
Yes, sir.
fast. Okay. Now, first question to all the girls. Girls, when I ask you the question, you will have to raise your hand in the chat. Okay. So, question to you. If you want to answer, raise your hand. I repeat, do not start shouting. So, the question is, what is letter writing? What is letter writing? Meera Arfa, yes, you have raised your hand. Tell us.
Yes, sir. Letter writing means we write a paragraph for essay.
Writing a paragraph might be paragraph writing or essay writing. What is letter writing is my question. No one? Not even Muskan?
Sir, I know.
Yes,
Sir,
tell
can
me.
I meet Arfa, please?
One by one, beta. Now let her speak. Yes.
When we want to talk with only one, so we write
First of
letter.
all, you have to sit in the silent place. I cannot hear you. More than you, the background sound is there.
1 minute. Sir, now voice is coming.
Start speaking. If I think that disturbance is there, I'll ask you to stop.
Okay. Whenever we want to talk with anyone, we write letter.
You are not wrong, but your answer is half right, I can say. Can someone please explain properly what is the letter writing? Yes, Mira Arfa, you have raised your hand again.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
A letter is a written a message converted from one person to another through a media.
Converted.
No,
Is this the word?
no. Conveyed.
Conveyed.
Yeah.
You are reading it from
Yes.
somewhere. That's why you are making so mistake.
No.
I can easily make out just when you read. These are not your words. If it was your words, you would have spoke before. Anyways, letter writing, like Mira Arfa said, that when you want to, in the olden days, they were not having telephone, mobile phone to ring each other. So they were using letter writing. Now, when they were using letter, obviously, postman was bringing the letter from one place to another place. Now, when we say we want to send the letter from one place to another place, you need the address. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Exactly.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So here, in the formal letter writing, first of all, you need to write your name from and your name here. Then to, you will write to means to whom are you sending the letter. So the address, right? Okay. Then date on which you are writing the letter. Then you will write subject, like on which topic are you writing the letter, what is the main purpose of writing the letter. Then you will write the body of letter, and then here complementary closure. I will just write CC. Here CC means complementary closure. So this is the format. Outline, I cannot say format, this is the outline, because here everything has the format. Say for an example, if I say address, address also has to be written in the proper format. You cannot write area and then the city and then your house name. No, there is proper format. But this is the outline. Can you read, girls? Can you see it properly?
Yes, sir.
Yes. But we cannot see.
Oh, okay. Because the camera is bit upside faced. I will try to make it proper. Can you see now?
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Excuse me. Sorry. Please note down this much. This is the outline, okay. Now format I will give you, how to write address, how to write, subject, everything has rule. And girls, here, please make sure after from you have to leave one line, after to you have to leave one line, after date you have to leave one line, After subject, you have to leave one line. After writing the paragraph, body of the letter, you have to leave one line. So everywhere you have to leave one line, okay?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Arfa.
Sir, there was a to after address. So we write the to name or a address.
Beta, just write it in the way it is. Like I said, I will explain it to you in detail once you finish writing this much.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. How many of you have completed?
Myself, Mira Arfa. Completed.
Myself, Alina Polya.
What is myself? What do you mean by myself? You can say I have completed and then your name. What is myself?
I have completed your Fatima.
Good.
I have completed.
I have completed Mira
I
Arfa.
have completed.
I have
And
completed Lina Folia.
Great.
Sir, sir, what we write in subject SUBC?
You have forgotten the rule of the class, how to ask the question, so I will never answer you.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, what we have to write in subject?
Did I explain you what do we have to write in the body letter? Did I explain you what do we have to write in complementary closure? Then why are you asking me such questions?
Sir, I was not there. Call has come, no, so I left.
But I did not explain anything. I just asked to write down. Now I will start the explanation once people have completed writing. Yes. So as you all have written everything, now please mute your mic, fold your hands, put your pen pencil down and pay attention here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 things you have to remember in the sequence they are. Someone's mic is on. These things should be in the sequence they are written. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 things. Okay. Now each of these things also have the format. This is the format of letter. But now when you go each thing, you need to understand how to write each of these 6 things. So let us understand that first. I am going to erase the board. Have you all written? Can I erase the board?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, girls, generally, I never ask you to write your address. Just here in the from, you have to write your name. What do you have to write in from?
Name. Name.
Okay, you will write here your name. Okay, that is very easy. Here you will write from, colon, your name. Okay. Now, you have to leave one.
Line.
Line.
Exactly. After leaving one line, you will write 2. Now, girls, you have to understand the format of address properly. Because you cannot write address any way you want. There is proper format of writing the address. Please understand here. In address, first of all, you will start with small and then you will go big. Small and then big. How? First, you might be having plot number or the name of your house. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Name of the house is the smallest thing, or the plot number. If you have the name of the house, first you will write here name of the house. Say for example, XYZ Villa. This might be the name of the house. So that should be written in the first line. After writing that, you will put comma. It is compulsory, comma. Please understand, this is a part of the format. Now, let's go a little bit bigger. Your name of the house and then the plot number, because plot is bigger than that. So, plot number, say for example, I will write like this. Plot number 1244A. Again, comma. Now, what is bigger than that? You might be living on Gandhi Street, you might be living on, some kind of street. Street is bigger, right? So, say for example, I write here Gandhi Street. Again, comma. Now, what is bigger than that? Area. Okay. So, area, I might write Rupani. Rupani circle. And then Last, you will write city, Bhavnagar. And then put a dash and write pin code 364001. Okay, so address also should be in the proper format. You cannot write Bhavnagar first and then you will write plot number. No, that is wrong. You will start from small, you will move towards bigger. House name is small, then plot is bigger than that. So plot number, then the street on which you live is bigger. So street name, again area is very big. So then the area, and at last you will write city. Is that clear, girls?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is just an example. Now, sometimes what happens, students are having such doubts when they are writing the letter. There is a question, write a letter to your brother who is in Ahmedabad asking him to take care in the corona. Okay, now you have to write the letter to your brother. So here, address of your brother will come. Now you will say, sir, I don't know any address in Ahmedabad. Some people say that, sir, my brother is not living in Ahmedabad. But when the question is there, you have to imagine. आपको खाली ये सोचना पड़ेगा कि मेरा brother अहमदाबाद में है, भले नहीं है, but you have to imagine that my brother is in Ahmedabad, and then address. Where will you find the address from? You have to make your own address. समझ में आ रही है बात? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And very easy trick. Generally, I give to my students. See, आपको अपना एड्रेस तो मालूम है ना?
Yes.
Thank God.
Yes, sir.
So you will write your address, and at last, instead of writing Bhavnagar, just write Ahmedabad. You have written the letter.
So nice trick. So nice trick.
So nice.
We don't have
Sir,
any
it's
other
very
option.
good.
Yeah, we don't have any other. And you need to remember few area of Ahmedabad. Satellite area. Then there is Walej area. There is Nawa Walej, Juna Walej. There is I think Ring Road, and there is Ashram Road. Ashram Road. So many area. You can remember 2 or 3 areas of Ahmedabad. Then if I ask you to write the letter to your brother who is in Mumbai, again full address you will write your address, at last
Yes.
Mumbai. Very simple.
And area also so easy there, Mumbai.
Area. Oh, area, they are very famous, Bandra and Andheri East and West and anything you can write. Okay? So format, you need to remember that from small you have to start. First you will write city and then the area. No, that is not allowed. This is the format, and comma should be there. Just in the last city you cannot put comma. Please write the example if you want. I will wait. And please mute your mic. But if someone's mic is on, please check your mics. Keep it on mute so that here the girls, those who are writing, they don't get any disturbance. Because when your mic is on, the one who are watching my lectures afterwards on YouTube, they will not be able to see my screen. Mira Arfa, what is the time?
Yes, sir. 8:34.
Okay, still we have 10 minutes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah,
Can I write a letter?
sorry.
My own letter. I want to write the letter.
Yes, after the lecture you can write surely.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
ये तो आपका जन्मसिद्ध अधिकार है. But after the lecture. Girls, done? How much time will you take to write this much?
Yes, sir. Done.
Yes, sir, done.
Yes, sir, done.
Sir, my work is done. Take
Yes,
my
sir,
hand.
done.
Okay.
Sir, my
So
work is
this
done
was
in accordance.
okay. Now no one will speak. I'm going to erase anyways.
Done.
I said no one will speak. That means, beta, you need to control your mouth. Okay. Address done. Now we need to leave one line. Date. Now what will you write in date? Can anyone tell me?
Yeah.
What will you
Yes,
write?
sir. Mira Arfa. 10th
Mira Arfa.
August, 10th August 2021.
Why this date? Why can't we write 11th August?
Sir, because
जब हम लेटर भेजते वो डेट लिखने की है.
I don't know Hindi. You need to explain to me in English, Arfa.
Okay, sir. I can't understand.
sir, can I tell you, ma'am?
Yes, Iman.
Date 10th August because which date we were writing the letter, that date we have to write.
Still you are grammatically incorrect. Your sentence formation is not proper. The day on which we are writing the letter, that particular date should be written. So today if we are writing the letter, today's date should be written. Very simple. So I will not write the date here, I will just write day on which letter is written. Okay, girls?
Okay.
So that you will be able to understand once you read the format. Here if I write 10th August, you will get confused later after 5 days if you will revise. So this is best. Okay, now we will leave one line. What is there now in the format? Let me ask. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Alina,
Yes, sir.
after the date, what is there in the format?
Subject.
Subject. Okay. So, Alina, the question to you, subject, that means we should write grammar.
No. No. On
I
which
think I'm
topic?
talking to Alicia. I'm talking to Alina. Alina, I spoke the name. Yes, Alina.
On which topic we have?
Hmm? I don't understand, phrases and clauses. I need full sentence when you are explaining at least.
On which subject we will do talking?
Talking. You will do talking. On which subject, for which purpose you are writing the letter. And girls, there is a rule, this should not be more than one line. Sometimes 1.5 line, okay, no problem. Depends on your handwriting, how big they are. But subject should not be of 3-4 lines. It can be 1 or 1.5 line. There is a rule. Subject. Okay. Now say for an example, write a letter to your friend. No. In formal letter we cannot write friend. Okay. Now when the question arrives, one more question I want to ask you people. What is formal letter writing? Can you see the word formal here in the brackets, girls?
No.
Yes, sir.
Think
Yes, sir.
and answer me. What is formal letter? See, the clothes I am wearing here is formal clothes. I have tucked in the shirt. I am wearing formal clothes. So what is formal? I mean, formal letter writing. For you, there is only two types, formal and informal letter. So what is formal letter writing?
Sir, can I, ma'am?
Yes, you can try.
A formal letter is that we can write to our friends or family, and it is written in a one form.
Huh?
One.
You are totally wrong, beta.
Sir, can I meet Arfa?
Now you will be able to answer, I know, because she was wrong. Yes.
Okay. Done is the accordance with the conversation.
Hold on. Do not read it from anywhere. If you know, explain. Everyone, they have the internet, they have the Google. I want you to share your knowledge, not Google knowledge.
So, teacher,
If you want to speak, you need to say, excuse me, can I speak? If new girl is speaking.
excuse me.
Yes.
So, teacher and
What teacher and what? Okay, let me explain it to you. See, why am I wearing the formal clothes? Because I am in the school. If I were at home right now, I would have, I would be wearing t-shirt or any, track suit or anything, jeans and all these things, right? So, why am I telling you the detail of the clothes? Because with the help of clothes, it is very easy to understand what is formal. Now, the people with whom you are having the formal relation, who are not your relatives, To them, if you are writing the letter, that is formal letter. If you are writing the letter to your doctor, doctor is not a relative. Even if he or she is your relative, but doctor, when you are writing the letter to doctor, that is formal letter. Generally, doctors are not your relatives. If you are writing a letter to your teacher, teacher is not your relative. Again, if you are writing the letter to your principal, principal is not your relative. If you are writing a letter to the commissioner, mayor of Bhavnagar, they are not your relatives. Did you understand, girls?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
These people are not your relatives. So, if they are not your relatives, then with them you are having formal relationship. You have to stand like this when you meet teacher, principal, commissioner, everyone. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, in front of your mom, do you stand like this? No.
No.
You stand this way, you stand this way. Yes or no?
Yes.
No, sir.
Or you put your shoulder on your hand on her shoulder.
No.
Again, with your friends. If you are sitting with your friends, will you sit like this? No. You will sit like this and, so your friends, your mom, your dad,